Here we're looking at the deployment phase for Fantasy Clash. On the left hand side you've got all your army cards. If you hold down Alt you can zoom in. Regular at the top, Veteran here, followed by Elite, and then your character cards down here. In the middle you've got your game board. This is where your army will be going. You've got your Conquered pile, Reinforcements, and also space for your magic items and magic cards, which are currently over here, magic items, and then there's the magic spells. We've also got tokens up here for any abilities that your army might have. That'll make it easier to track during the game. Okay, for army selection, you need to pick 10 of regular cards. So the easiest way to do that is to highlight the one you want and press the number 1. That'll draw it into your hand down here. So pick 10. Then you're allowed 5 veteran cards. We'll pick one of each, plus one more. We are allowed 3 elites. Let's go for one of each as well. And here's your character cards. You're not allowed to draw the Titan or Legend initially. You're allowed 1 hero out of 2. And you're allowed 1 champion out of the 3 available. That gives us our 20 initial selection. So for the remaining cards, highlight them all, just drag the mouse. You can right click on them and hit group. That puts them all together. Hold them all down and put them into your reinforcement pile. You can then press F, that'll flip them over, then another right click and shuffle. Now we've got them shuffled, we need to deploy our cards onto the battlefield. There's no restrictions, you can place them anywhere you want, so I'll just do that just now. Again, you can zoom in with Alt, see where they are, and get more detailed information. Or you can zoom in with your mouse wheel. I prefer to use Alt. Obviously when you're doing this it'll be a lot more tactical. And once you're happy with your lineup, select them all, and again press F to flip them all over. You can then have a look through your magic items. You can leave them at the side here because we've got a bit of room, or you can put them onto your board. They don't have to be hidden, it's completely up to you. And sometimes it's easier to have them out just to see what your options are. And there we have it, the humans are now ready to start the game. One thing I would advise though is when you're setting up that your opponent puts the blindfold on, because it's meant to be a hidden deployment. So to do that you just press B. As you can see, can't see anything, and the other player will set up. When they're ready they'll tell you that they're ready, and you can press B to remove the blindfold. And once they're ready to go, you're ready to start the game.